Hi, this is Harold from GCC Printing and Graphics, and I wanted to talk about a unique product that we just finished and delivered, and it's kind of special. It's a little booklet, which isn't special. We do saddle stitch, saddle stitch and perfect balance, spiral bound booklets all the time. This one's a little one, and but what is unique about it is the material we used. Unlike paper or synthetic, this material, this paper is called Rite in Rain paper, and it's Rite, R-I-T-E, in rain paper. And what's cool about it is it's weatherproof, like synthetic. It's not tear-proof like synthetic is, but it doesn't disintegrate in water. It's priced similar to some synthetics, depending on the thickness and so forth. This is what they call a 20-pound paper. It feels a little bit heavier than that, more like a 60-pound paper. And what's supposed to be really neat about it is they say it. I wrote it down to make sure. It's all weather. It doesn't turn to mush when it gets wet, and it repels water, sweat, grease, mud, and will even survive the accidental laundry mishap. So that's kind of neat. It's thinner than synthetic would be. It's more like pliable. It doesn't feel like plastic. And what else I say? It printed really well for us. We didn't have that static like some synthetics. You get static and you get a lot of jams. So that was really cool. And it's real paper. It's just treated. And these particular ones are going to Hawaii. And we made these little cards too. And even when they're wet, you should be able to write on them with a No. 2 pencil or an all-weather pen. And a regular pencil and a regular pen will work when they're dry. But if they're wet, you need an all-weather pen or a regular pen or a pencil, which is what I think our client uses for these. And but I got a bowl of water here. Let's see, let's pan down a little bit. I thought we'd give it a try. Let's see. Now, if it was regular paper, we all know it would just kind of fall to pieces. But look at that. That's pretty cool. Let's test it. Let's see. I have a pencil. Let's see. It's you can see. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's just it's pooling on it. It's not even really soaking in. It works. I don't know if you see if I can zoom in on it. Let's try it. I'm gonna try a pen also. This is just a regular ballpoint pen. Let's see what happens. My tripod's falling to pieces on me. Okay, let's see. It's curling a little bit. There. It's okay. Yeah, it doesn't quite work with the regular. I kind of worked with the regular pen. I can see what they mean by all-weather pen now. And yeah, doesn't smear. It's kind of cool. So I had to buy some paper for this stuff, and now that I have a source for it, because I've never used it before, we've never used it before. It was a special request. Now that I have a source to where to get it, somebody wants it, no problem. Rite in Rain paper, kind of like synthetic. See, it will tear. I'll tear it. See, it will tear if you try hard enough. You know, this is their 100-pound stock. It's kind of like a very thin cardstock, even though it's a text weight. And but so synthetics won't tear. This will tear. But yeah, it doesn't fall to pieces in water. That's kind of cool, and you can write on it. So let's see. I'll wet it again. See if the stuff smears off. Now it doesn't smear off. Cool stuff. So Rite in Rain paper. I think it's really good for pocket notebooks or other notebooks, especially if you're a first responder, fire department, military, workshop, mechanic shop, something like that. It might cost a little extra, but it'll do the job over regular paper. Thank you.